Still wasting hours on Google planning your trip? Tired of tourist traps and boring packages? What if AI could plan your perfect Ladakh adventure tailored just for you? This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. Let me show you how. AI is transforming the travel world. Instead of cookie-cutter itineraries, imagine this, the exact best week to visit Pangong. A hidden monastery you'd actually love. A plan that adjusts to your budget, vibe, and energy. Tools like ChatGPT, RoamAround, and VacayAI make it possible. Let's say you're an adventure lover. You tell the AI, I love biking, lakes, night skies. I'm okay with moderate trekking. Boom, AI gives you a bike trail from Ladakh, Pangong Lake camping under the stars. Altitude alerts, local food wrecks, and even bathroom breaks mapped. No agent, no YouTube rabbit holes, just you and the perfect plan. Here's how to build yours in 3 easy steps. Ask ChatGPT or RoamAround plan. A 6-day Ladakh trip for 2, mix of adventure plus relaxation. Let AI crunch thousands of data points. You get a smart, real-time, weather-proof plan instantly. Bonus? Add your budget or health needs, AI adapts like a genie. Ladakh is wild, remote, overwhelming. One mistake, and you could miss something life-changing. AI makes sure you don't miss a single unforgettable moment. Offbeat spots, altitude safety, customized down to your chai break. Your dream trip isn't in a brochure, it's inside your mind. Let AI bring it to life. Comment below. Where should AI take you next? Sikkim, Bali, Mars? Like this if you love smart travel. Share with your travel squad. Subscribe for epic travel tech videos every week.